Profile data. Profile data is any information collected from your customers. To begin collecting information from your customers, hover your mouse over the main menu. Click Company Settings. Choose Manage Profile Data from the sub-menu at the top of your screen. Click Add a new custom group. This names the information you are going to collect. Common names for a custom group include contact information, emergency information, and apparel information. Once you've named your group of data, click Save. To collect specific data, click Edit next to the custom group. Click Add a new custom field. Common examples of a custom field include phone, address, city, state. Other fields you may be interested in collecting could be t-shirt size, height, gender. Once you have chosen a name, you may then choose a type: number, date, phone, calculated, birthday, or email. Most fields will be called text. You can also choose the search name that will show up on your member page. If a text is entered in the placeholder box, it will appear in a gray font inside of the box when your customer is asked to fill out the information. If a validator is entered, a customer must match each letter and digit in order to proceed with purchasing. Click on Advanced Options to assign the data to a collection point. You may collect data on the registration page. You may display it on the member page, request it on an application,